What is Bash? On most Linux systems, a program called Bash, which stands for Born Again Shell, which is an improved version of the original Unix shell program, SH, written by Steve Bourne, acts as a shell program. Bash is shell or command language interpreter for the GNU operating system, and is largely compatible with the Unix shell, the Korn shell, and the C shell. And it offers functional improvements over shell for both interactive and programming use. Besides Bash, there is also the CSH, the KSH, the CSH, and the ZSH shells, among others. Bash is very portable, and it runs on almost every version of Unix and a few other operating systems. So for this course, I'm going to use the ZSH shell. So I'm going to open my terminal, and as you can see here, ZSH is shell I'm going to use, but the commands are very similar to the Bash commands. Thank you. See you on the next lecture.